In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up multiple email notifications in Google Forms. This is a super handy feature that helps keep everyone in the loop whenever a response comes in. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Google Drive. This is where all your form documents reside, and it will be our starting point today. Once there, locate and click on the Apps icon. This will open up a menu of various apps that you have access to within Google Drive. From this list, you need to select Forms, and if you already have a specific form in mind, go ahead and open it. If you're not sure which one, take a moment to find the form you want to work with. Now that your form is open, it's time to bring in some external help. You'll need to click on Add-ons, which is located towards the top of your screen. This is where you can find various extensions that enhance Google Forms capabilities. In the menu that appears, look for an option called Email Notifications for Google Forms TM. Click this option to proceed. Once it's selected, go ahead and click Open App to activate the add-on. This will lead you to a new interface where you'll be able to set up your notifications. To get started in the app, select Create. This is essentially setting up a new notification rule from scratch. Now when it prompts you, select Email Notifications. Here you can specify all the details about who should receive notifications and under what circumstances. It's a good idea to spend a few moments thinking about who needs to receive these updates. You can enter multiple email addresses if needed, which ensures that the right people stay informed. Once you have your emails entered, take a quick glance over the setup to confirm everything looks good. Then once you're satisfied with the entries, click on Continue to move ahead. This ensures the settings are applied correctly. Finally, click Save to lock in your notification rules. If you're managing multiple forms, or if different sections need distinct setups, don't worry. You can repeat this process to create more email notifications as needed for the same form or for other forms. And before we wrap up, make sure to install any add-ons directly from the Get Add-on option in Google Forms if you haven't done so already. This will ensure everything is integrated smoothly, and there we have it. In just a few simple steps, you've set up multiple email notifications in Google Forms. I hope this makes your form management a little more efficient. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.